Hi, hello, my lovies, my darlings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me in a social work program that you usually have on Tuesdays. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
So if the question asked team A, one of them answers it correctly, they will get 10 points. If they answer within 45 seconds. If they do not answer within 45 seconds, it will be passed to team B. And if they answer it correctly.
Why? Good morning. So Wednesday today, going to class. And I went. That's fine. Okay. Let's go to class, guys. Even the weather is saying sleep, but yeah, we chose this. We chose this. So yeah, I'll do so. Yeah, I'm here to say bye to a friend. She's going back home. They never prepare you for this kind of days, ne? That some people are gonna go home and leave you behind in India. Yeah, she's leaving, so I'm just gonna say farewell because I have work to do. I'm not gonna make it to the airport. Okay, and it's gonna be too sad for me if I go there. That's the truth. Landlord, the landlord is leaving. Hey, is leaving. In shame. She's leaving, guys. This is the one. How do you feel now that you have conquered?
We can't hear you. She can't. Guys, give her a chance. Going on plane. Huh? She came on plane. But what did you get used to it?
Landlord.
What else? What are you excited for?
Are you coming back to Rajagiri College of Social Sciences Autonomous? She might come back.
Look, should I give it? My sister, what are you excited for since you're going back from Rena?
To eat.
Just the food. The food. I know, right?
There you go. Remember the road that we lead you. Yahanjwa manje, guys. People will start reducing one by one. Hey, sasale ndiya. Yeah, babe. We've been left behind. Nkosi yami, there's no more turning back. No more turning back.
Uganda, here
No
we
more
come.
turning back. We're in the airport. Okay, I decided to come to the airport because why not? Yeah. It is so hard, guys. But it's fine.
And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to
Morning. Morning, guys. It's a Friday. It's a Friday today. Good morning. Go to class again. Like, there's nothing much that we do. We just go to class. Ne? We go to class, then we go back to the hostel. And we're not allowed to use phones in class. That's why I can't vlog. But again, say now. Good morning, guys. So today is Friday and we're in a yoga program. We're about to perform. Yeah, I couldn't vlog the practice yesterday because yeah, got too busy. So but now we're about to perform.
Heartbeats, fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stay.
Okay, guys. Few minutes later, after the performance, time for class. So I came to hostel to change to uniform. So now I'm going to class, guys. I'm not cut so pomola shape. I'm fugunyeng. There's no time for resting. So yeah, now I'm off to classes. It's not that bad though. It's not that late. Because when I was in the yoga program, my classmates already in class. Yeah. You will not get it, but that is how it is. Okay? So yeah, now I'm rushing to class. Like the student that I am. But I show you my video, guys, of my performance. So it's not that bad. Kasan, okay. Let the child join, okay? Later. Good morning, Aldis. Okay. Today is Saturday. Going to the library to work on my research because this week I didn't do anything. I was just not my best version of myself. So yeah, right now I'm going to the library when everyone else is resting. So yeah, guys, I can't take you guys to the library because phones are not allowed. Yeah, but if it happens, you might see me. Okay, bye bye. I'm the only one. Hi, yes, son. Let's get away. Tell me you are in India without telling me you are in India. Like, what am I wearing? What do you do when you're in the lift alone? Hey, Altis. Okay, I don't know why I'm keep on saying hi, 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 but again, I just came back to hostel right now, and I'm so tired. I don't wanna lie. I'm so tired, and I'm not gonna do anything today. I'm just gonna sleep. So that's the end of the vlog. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. I hope there was something that I did this week. It was better than other weeks. I hope you're gonna come back for more. Don't forget to like, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified each time I post a video. Yeah, so much. I appreciate you guys. Please keep on showing me some love and we'll grow. Thank you. Till the next video. Bye bye.